Welcome to Women's Day special edition of the A&A podcast. We today have three beautiful ladies with us. Ma'am, if you can quickly have a introduction of yourself so the audience knows who you are and what you do.
Yes, hi, I'm architect Mansa, principal architect at Arna, and I thank ANI for having me over. Looking forward for this wonderful chat.
Hi, I'm Shruti Malani, founder and principal designer of Golden Pyramid Design, and looking forward for this because I hope that we can inspire more women out there.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Divya Gulecha. I'm the principal and founder of Cinnamon Design Studio. It's an architectural and interior design firm. And let's see how this goes today.
Awesome. All right. So, because it's a Women's Day edition, so the first thing I want to ask is, let's say when you're growing up, right, as kids. So, how was it like, in terms of your education and, let's say your siblings, the kind of treatment? How was it like?
You would want wonderful story.
Everyone.
So, for me, it was quite equivalent. My parents always thought that, we have to educate both. It wasn't like, let's just educate him and let's not, because I had a brother. It wasn't like this. But my grandparents, they would probably, there was a small instances that would happen and they'd be like, oh, you have to learn this because you would need this. It could be cooking, it could be housework. That would come from them, but not my parents. Otherwise, it was very, was equivalent opportunities. Everything was equal in terms of my growing up here. I wasn't made to feel different because of my gender, at least.
Wow. All right.
I think when she said grandmother, it reminded me. Otherwise, I wasn't able to think because it is equal. I have an older brother. My parents were treating us absolutely, parallel opportunities and all of that. But when I wanted to do architecture, I wanted to do it in Bangalore. Then they were a little apprehensive about generally food and how to stay in a hostel. My grandmother actually sacrificed 5 years of her time. She came along with me. We took a small apartment and I did my architecture.
Oh, that's
So I think that way
nice.
I'm blessed that I get that support from
Yeah.
generations
Wow.
behind.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, she's quite an inspiration there for me. Yeah.
So definitely is to a lot of women out there. Yes, ma'am.
So, this was much later. Initially, I think we were all on the same paths, but later on, when you want to pursue your higher education, there are people like the older generation, like the grandparents or
Yeah.
the second generation. There it comes from कि ये क्या ही करेगी, ये क्यों करना है? Like शादी ही करना है.
Right.
शादी करके दूसरा घर का ही तो काम करना है. Why do you want to do this? So that used to be there at the background.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, what you have to do, you have to do. I think.
Nice. So, see, when you're talking about this, so there's always that outside. So even the parents are supportive. A lot of times it happens that so-called relatives, the outsiders, they have a lot of noise to make, where they say कि बेटी का ज़्यादा क्यों पढ़ाना है, या
Yes.
क्या ही करना है पढ़ा के, फिर तो शादी करनी है, और ज़्यादा मत पढ़ाओ, हाथ से निकल जाएंगे.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yes, of course.
so
It's like
Or you
literally
won't
heard
find-
the same line that you're like,
You
yeah.
won't find a boy who's as educated. That used to be a major. ambition.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
That was so bad.
I'd be like, oh,
"Arey,
you will
just
get
educate the
educated."
boys. No, why? What are you doing?
right. शादी के लिए लड़का नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ, लड़का नहीं
And when
मिलेगा.
you're saying outside sound, so what word came to my mind was, I wish that, we could use that word that time, sound cancellation you people have, no, when you're recording. You should have those. Sound cancellation. Forget it.
Well,
Yeah.
selective listening is what probably you have to apply. Otherwise,
Yeah. I think
About convenience.
our parents were probably selective listeners. That's why we are all sitting here and
Yeah.
speaking our heart out.
awesome. So, the field that you're part of, architecture, interior designing. So when probably I look at it as a layman, right? So it's that construction work and lot of laborers working and all. So how easy or difficult was it for parents to accept that आपको ही करना? Because if you look at it from the outside, as a layman, when you look at it, it's more like a man's job, right? Where you feel कि construction sites पे रहना है, and labor से deal करना है, धूल मट्टी and stuff. and the perception that people have about women are fragile and they're not meant for
Delicate.
Yeah.
delicate,
Not
and-
like the physical.
right, they're not meant for this. So when you guys thought of taking up architecture and interior designing as your career, so how easy was it for your parents or for your families to accept it?
Yeah, it was not easy. I mean,
Yes.
even till date, they're like, sometimes you look like a labor person. You know, that
Yeah,
comment
yeah.
comes in.
I
You don't
think
look like a
as
woman,
long as
so-
we're in secured premises like our studios and offices, they're fine.
Yes.
Any new inquiries, we have to visit sites for the first time and all. It is something that even we are concerned about, and it is absolutely new.
Yes.
I think that has to come back from the society. They have to make it safe for us to do anything. Because yes, like she's saying, maybe parents are okay, like but then when you're going to a new site, it's a new client. You'd be, if nothing, you'd want to take your driver along.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You'd just
that's
be
also
around.
that.
I'm going to a new place.
Right.
So I think that has
I
to come back.
I think
from
they
the-
leave it to us most of the time.
Yeah,
that you
to
take a
take
call
call
about how
about-
safe it is.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes we do say no to clients for
Hmm.
various reasons.
As kids, I mean, when you were growing up and when you thought of taking up architecture, right? तो क्या वो बहुत इजीली घर वालों ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको ये थॉट क्यों है कि आपको आर्किटेक्चर इंटीरियर डिजाइन लेना है? क्या आपको एज अ किड मतलब स्टार्टिंग से ऐसा कुछ था कि हाँ मतलब ये करना है और दिस केम लेटर?
Mine was it's a turning point when I met this gentleman. My parents hired to design their home. So I was 16, 17. Luckily, I had done MBIPC bolte na.
हाँ.
Maths also, biology also. Generally to keep the
Options.
window options open.
Right.
So I met him. He was a Bangalore architect. I said, the first introduction to architecture in life was also that one.
Wow.
I sat in one meeting. I just saw how they work and what it results in and all that. And I said, this is what I want to do, and I want to do it in Bangalore only. So,
Nice.
For me, it was more like a process of elimination more than anything else. So I eliminated what all I did not want to do.
that's also very smart. way of-
Yeah. So, and then you are left with probably just 2 or 3 options, and then you choose as to. Then I thought, this is my creative side is obviously stronger
Ah,
than my
yes.
commerce and other sides. So I eliminated all the things, which was a very long list, and then it just happened that this is what
That's
I'm doing.
For me, I've done my master's in marketing.
Oh, wow.
I went to UK, I did my master's, I did everything. I came back, I did a corporate job, and then I got married. And I got married in Hyderabad. And because I was good at doing this, I would generally, like if somebody's making home, they'd be like, "Come, no, Shruti, you can just help us around." I did 1 house, I did 2 houses, just like that for friends. And that is when my friends told me that, and my husband told me, you can do this professionally. And I said, yeah, but this is just out of passion. I mean, I don't want to do this. I can probably go back to my corporate job or I can work with you. They're like, no, you can do this better. That's something. And my mother used to always tell me that you please study architecture, and I did not wanted to study because I was very bad at maths. So it was like a whole round where I
And then you
came back
came
to this,
Design.
and
was meant
then
to
I
be.
learned. I did a course post my first daughter was born, and then post that I've been doing it professionally. So that's how I landed up to this.
Very interesting. No? Very different reasons for
Right.
landing up in this field.
Yes. So एक होता है let's before marriage वाला चीज है where you just have to convince your parents, and that's a
Easier.
bit easier, ठीक है मतलब वो रो धो के मना लेते हैं या कुछ भी करके मना लेते हैं पेरेंट्स एंड ऑफ द डे it's still easy to convince, but post marriage it's a different world out there, right? New set of people, and coming from that Indian society, so a woman is supposed to there are certain things that a woman is expected to do once she gets married, like एक संस्कारी बहू बनने के लिए जो भी करने के लिए, right? So how difficult was it post your once you got married and then when you had to continue your careers, क्योंकि घर भी मैनेज करना है, नए लोगों को मैनेज करना है, वहाँ पे एडजस्ट करना है, एट द सेम टाइम काम जो आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो वो भी देखना है. सो हाउ वाज योर जर्नी?
For me, it was quite difficult. I would say that it took me a long time to set because, like you said, at your parents' place, I could be working from day to night, and there was nothing else to look at. And suddenly, you are with these other roles and responsibilities. So, as a woman, I'll tell you that we always work in, unless you have kids. Kids is a different story, of course. But you work in 3 shifts any which way. Morning mein ghar ka dekho, then you go to office, come back and do your housework again. So that took a toll on me, saying ki what the hell is happening, like, too many things are going on and there's no breather space.
Right.
So that, to adapting that to sort of that routine itself took a long time for me. And if like in architecture, in our field, we sometimes work
Late
through the
nights,
night.
through the night.
If there's a presentation then, and if there's a deadline, most of us end up working
And
a lot. So there
I
are
think
there
college
are
also makes us do it anyway. College time also they
college
make us
time, so we are very used to this ki 2-3 din bhi kaam karte hi rahe non-stop.
Handovers are
And then
very-
that you cannot do once you are married and in this little more formal setup. So breaking that barrier or to adapt to it, that for me it took a long time actually.
For me, I started working. Like I said, I learned after
right.
it. So they knew that, of course, if when I'm studying, I'm going to work. It was initially very challenging because they would not, because they had a different background. So they've seen work as differently. I come from a business family. So then, and these businesses are there for almost like 30 years, 40 years. So they've got their comfort zone. They can
Right.
decide when they have to work. When
Correct.
you've got into an industry, you can't decide. You can't even choose your clients. They choose
Correct.
you, right?
True.
So at that time, you really have to give yourself. I think initially it was tough to make them understand, but then I realized that just go ask for help. So the days when it's getting tough for me, I will call my parents and I'll call my mother and I'll be like, "Can you come for a week? I have a handover. Please help me." I initially I tried doing it all by myself. Okay, I'll do this and I'll do that, and then I realized no, it's not practically or humanly possible. Go out, ask for help. Tell that this much is how I can manage, and this is where I really need your help. So people, you need a good support system when you're doing
Yes,
any
yeah.
kind of work. Whether, and even for that matter, men I think need support. Right? You're able to work because there is somebody out there in the house taking care of all the other things, right?
100%.
So it's, I think, same for us. So when we really need to go out and work on the deadlines, we need support, and I've realized that just go ask for help.
Yeah.
It could be anybody.
True.
It could be your parents. It could be your in-laws. Can be your husband. It can be your nanny also.
Right.
So I tell my staff when I have very, very severe time that see, now you cannot take a week off. It's not possible. And then I can probably compensate for it later on.
Yes.
That's my style of maneuvering through this.
I think for me, more than people, I've been lucky with people not enforcing anything upon me. I've enforced everything upon myself because I had kids. I have two kids, and one is 12 and one is 9. So I have my own targets. People around me have been very sweet. I have support from my parents, husband. Otherwise, we all wouldn't have been here unless we have supportive husbands. So it's me who has targets, which I make it difficult for myself, and I think I need to know how to tone that down. Otherwise, yes.
But also, don't you think that the validation thing that comes once a woman starts working, right? It's always that thing कि ठीक है, शौक के लिए काम कर रही है या फिर ठीक है मतलब करने
Yes,
दो,
yes.
ठीक है
Yeah.
मतलब
Initially, yes, you're right. Because
Right.
everyone around thinks that just something they're doing, that's fine.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
it starts mounting up into this serious thing. And then we
Business.
start getting validated. We start getting these awards and recognitions. And then the heads in the family turn and they're like, okay.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, this is not just time pass.
Yeah.
exactly. But for women, it's more different. I mean, for men,
It's
because
expected out of them.
It's
They should
expected.
be doing it.
they should be doing it, right? And it's always considered a serious thing that if a man is working, it's a serious stuff, right? But when a woman is working, it's out of
Yes,
passion
yeah,
or
yeah.
time pass and stuff. So for that validation to come that she's seriously doing something, it takes more time than a man.
Yes.
Probably it does.
Yes, yes.
But then
It takes
it's
more time.
somewhere you put it across that this is what I am, this is who I am basically, and things have to
It
fall
also
into place.
depends upon if you're looking for validation.
Yeah, exactly.
I think as women, we really need to stop looking for validation. We really don't need it. If you want to work, we can work. If you don't want to work, we can choose not to work if the situation allows us to,
Exactly.
in terms of finances. But I think the moment we stop looking for validation in terms of at least our work, that they have to accept it, that or they have to agree to it, our life will become at least 50% easy.
But then the problem is the validation is required because the support that we talk about, right? The support either from the husband or the family only comes when they start validating you and your work.
Absolutely.
So if I have to share,
In terms of prioritization, basically.
exactly.
Yeah.
So if I have to share something which again happened with me as well. So when I asked my wife to start working, initially it was ठीक है अमित के साथ जा रही है, ठीक है कुछ कर रही होगी. So initially it was 2-3 hours that should come to office. Then फिर 4 घंटे हुए, 5 घंटे हुए, अब शायद वो 15-16 घंटे भी होते हैं. And so today when she goes back home, right, even her mother-in-law, my mother also understands this. She's come from work and she's tired,
Yes.
right? And that validation बोल लो उसे,
Acceptance.
right? Acceptance बोल लो, and the kind of respect, I've seen that happening.
You've seen
But
the transformation in respect.
Exactly. And coming from a orthodox Marwadi family, I know how it is, to come from a Marwadi family where, women are usually expected not to work. I mean, they're expected to study. I mean, if you see, majorly if you see the Marwadi girls or, around,
Yes.
they will be educated. I mean, I know of, women who are MBAs, who are chartered accountants, but end of the day not doing anything. I mean, they're back home taking care of, house and kids. So in that situation where where a woman to step out to work itself is a challenge, right? And for them to accept that
Yeah.
this is normal, right? It's work is not based on, it's not a gender that decides a person,
Correct.
what a person should do, but it's more about a person's skills or a person's capability of what one can do. But for men it doesn't apply that way. For men it is given कि हाँ ये काम कर रहा है तो validation है, वो घर आएगा तो थका हुआ आया है, इसे सोने दो, इसे disturb मत करो.
Yeah. For women, it will only come when they see that work has got serious.
Right.
Like you're saying, that is acceptance. That comes when they've realized that, okay, you have work.
What you're bringing back.
Yeah,
home
what you're
now.
bringing back home, and they can see that, it's not just like for 2 hours, like you said, that once she starts going for at least an 8-hour
Right.
thing, then they realize that no, she's trying to build up a company. Maybe she's trying to build up. It could be out of passion. It could be out of any need.
Right.
But once they start, at least it's a process of getting. It's in the process of getting to that place where she wants to be. I think then acceptance comes, and then validation comes, and that is where actually supports also starts coming.
Exactly. Because until then it's all rejection, or it's all that zone where they don't. I mean, they're still in that phase where they don't accept it. That ठीक है कुछ कर रही होगी, ठीक है 2
कुछ
महीने
कर
3
रही
महीने
होगी,
करेगी,
हाँ.
फिर बंद हो
It's
जाएगा.
like कि अच्छा time pass हो जाता है.
But
Exactly.
it also depends on how serious you are also.
Yes.
The moment
Yes.
your seriousness comes in, people do understand. that
understand.
This is priority wise, this is quite high on your list, and because I've seen, like, even I'm from a very orthodox Marwari family. I've seen people taking it very easy also.
Yeah.
कि
Right.
आज इसका ये function है, okay, I can't do it, or some XYZ is getting married, so I'm taking a break for a month. But it shows how much you are interested. So if you prioritize, no, this I have to do, that means this is a part of your life which you are doing, and everybody will understand that.
Exactly.
That respect
Yeah.
has to be there.
So my mother-in-law would herself say no if there's any invitation for me to come
हाँ,
on a weekday.
exactly.
She'll say sorry, she can't make it. She
So
has
sweet,
work.
no?
Exactly.
She can't make it on a weekend. I can ask her if she's available, because let's see, because she's working through the week, she has other things to do on the weekend. But on a weekday, it's not possible for her. She'll not be able to make it. I can come.
It's the onus is really on you as to how much.
But that only happens once you
priority
prove your
can
mettle. Once you
Yeah,
prove
yeah.
your mettle, and
Then you
once
show your seriousness.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
very important.
Yes, yeah,
right,
that's very
without
Because
that,
I had to go and tell, see, I cannot for everything, yes, there would be some priorities where I will also take a week off, right? But it cannot be every week.
True.
Correct.
True.
Yeah.
So, once you married, ठीक है, ये एक set हो गया where you just have to handle other people's perceptions and you overcome that. But once you have kids, right?
Yeah.
It's a different mindset.
Yes.
It's a different person that you become
it's
All
a
over.
different ball game.
It's a different ballgame altogether. How did you guys, let's say, manage, both the things, being a mother at the same time, making sure your work doesn't get impacted?
And I think
I
the
think that's the
Question is
reason.
purely
That's the
philosophical.
reason
I'll
women
sit
are
here
called
and say.
superwomen.
Come on.
No, but
No, I'll tell you,
But
it is
yeah.
tough. It is tough. It's not easy, but it's not as tough as it looks.
so when I say
You
tough,
need,
more than tough physically,
Mentally.
Mentally, it's very
both.
tough.
Mentally also, it's very tough because for a very, very long period of time, and I think still, this is only with women I've seen that we have this mother's guilt.
yes,
So, like I told you, right? My daughter is not right now also not that well. She's well, but not that well. So it's a little bit of, oh God, I have to leave her and do anything. Yes, that troubles you. But then I think when you know what you're trying to make in terms of your business, when you know that journey is going to be a little like this. Some days you'll choose to be a mother, some days you choose to be an entrepreneur, some days you choose to be both. That's how it is going to be because you have to manage both, and I think time management plays a very important role in this. If you're able to start early, you'll probably be able to finish it before. Like if they're coming around home by 4 or 5, you're actually trying to finish work between that time. You're available on the weekends, you keep free. And I think with our workflow, we have sometimes that kind of liberty where it's not that we have logged in at 9 and we log in out at 9.
right.
That's not, so that's a liberty that we have in our industry.
I think that's an advantage when it's our own.
Your own business also. So then you have like an hour to probably at a lunch
And I
time.
think what she's trying to say is there's no fixed formula.
Yeah.
We take it as and when with the flow.
Yeah.
Like for today per se, if it's an annual day.
Mhm.
Annual day happens once in a year.
Right.
Like I'm trying to narrow it down to a situation how we do decision making every day.
Right.
And it is a meeting that maybe we can have it the next day with the client. So you weigh the annual day.
Yeah.
But another day when it is say that monthly meetings,
Parent
parent
meeting.
teacher meeting is
Right.
a monthly thing.
Right.
So maybe we'll request the school that can we come in a little later? Can we do a Zoom? Because today for me with my client it's the casting of a slab in the project,
Okay.
right? So that every now and then it's decision making throughout the day.
Yes. It's a decision which we make every day. If I have to tell you the truth, it is an everyday decision because in the morning you know that this is what is required out of me as a mother and this is what is required out of me as a business entrepreneur. Let me see what needs me more today.
And it's okay not to have it all.
Yeah,
Like we
you
were just
cannot have it
discussing
all.
every day. Just
Every
taking
day.
it one step at a time.
It's a myth when they say you can have it all. You can have it all, but not on the single
Not
day.
within the 24-hour day frame.
Yeah,
Right.
not on a 24-hour day frame. And I think over time, your husband also is an equal parent, right? That also plays a very important role. If it's an equal parent, so some days if I am not able to make it to like a PTSM,
Right.
my husband will. If I am out traveling and sometimes I have missed events, like my child has received an award, but I was not there because I had already pre-booked tickets with my client to travel for some furniture selection or whatever, and this is all of a sudden. So, but I was there on the Zoom, watching on a FaceTime,
Right.
watching her get that award, but I was not there physically because this was planned before and I had given my commitment to it.
Right.
But if it was for that day, I would have been here. I would have probably postponed or shifted or tweaked my day a little to be there.
Yeah.
Got it. So yes, so at every stage, you're talking that the kid's requirement and you as a mother, I mean your duties, right? And coming from again the Indian society where it's expected that the mother is the one. Let's say अगर बच्चों की एग्जाम आ गए हैं तो मम्मी पढ़ाएगी, स्कूल में कुछ आ गया है तो मम्मी देखेगी, कहीं बाहर कुछ क्लासेस, कुछ अगर एक्स्ट्रा कुछ एक्टिविटीज करनी तो मॉम should be the one. So a lot of things and ये change होती रहती है.
Yeah,
It's a very important question.
yeah, it is.
I think it's like they say, see, we don't do it all by ourselves, to be honest.
Yeah.
It takes a village to raise a child.
Yes.
So we all of us
It truly
individually,
does.
I think we have our own small village setup happening, whether it's my mother, it's our husbands, or
Yeah.
it's even the drivers, the nannies.
Yeah.
This whole ecosystem is what helps to navigate through what you're asking.
True.
It is not only us, because we can't be there everywhere, what to say.
Right.
And when they're younger, I think we have to get smarter and get a lot of things done, because they are very happy even with grandparents.
Yeah, and they're very happy going out of the house. They are actually, over time, I realized that they're not actually very, very happy to see you around all the time. They're not. It doesn't mean that I'm working or not working. They would want to go out and meet other people, do some activities, learn new things. That's actually what makes them happy and gives them that knowledge at the right age.
Exposure and all.
Yeah, exposure.
And I think we stay in a community.
Right.
So that is another very big added
Yes.
advantage.
True.
Like after they come back home at 4:30, even if there's an hour or two we get delayed at work per se, there is this bunch of their whole set of friends they play with. This is slightly old. I'm talking about 8 onwards. So living in a community with other families it's an added advantage. They join the village.
Yeah, and you have to plan your child's day according to your own day also. Like it's a lot of planning. So like for a month when I know that they have an exams, I would probably, if I'm not around, I will take help from the other teachers, to probably, come in the evening or, maybe over Teams or anything. But the support that is needed by my children during that exam, if I'm not there, there's always somebody doing it. For the younger children, as she said, that you have to plan a lot of activity. When they come back from school, like an hour or so, post that they're always out of the house. They themselves
They
don't
should
want to
be
sit
out
in
of
the
the
house.
house,
They
that's
should
the
be
idea.
out of the house.
Because
And for that, you need to plan their
to avoid
activities.
screen.
Yeah, to avoid
The
screen
biggest
time.
challenge today is to
Yeah.
avoid screen
Yes.
time.
So when you
So-
plan their activities, you're able to do it. So for me, I drop them and I pick them up from school, and I've been
Oh, wow.
doing it. Yeah, at least not every day, like thrice a week, I pick them up, and that's a 1 hour break that I take. That includes my lunch, and I pick them up, and I have to do it. And there's no other. I would not buzz on that, because that's a time that I get like a selective time with that. I won't pick up my phones at that time. So they'll tell me the whole day and everything, and I know what's in their mind. And then once they're back home, they're gone to their respective classes. By the time they are back, I'm back too.
Right. But then that time is important, because the kid also needs
Yes.
to be heard out,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And as a mother, I mean, who Indian, again, it is said that the
We
father.
want to be in their life.
Yeah,
It's
you
not
want
like
to
they
be in
just
their
grow up
life.
with good nutrition, and we want to be there emotionally with their journey.
Exactly.
I do it at night when I'm putting them to sleep.
Yes.
Right. But कभी भी करो, but वो time
So
जरूरी है.
it depends when your child wants to speak.
Right.
It's-
हाँ, that also is important.
Yes.
Right. उसे कुछ मतलब स्कूल में कुछ हुआ है, and उसे share करना है, and आप available नहीं हो.
हाँ.
Right. So that again becomes for a kid it's a lot to take. Right. Because we चलो ठीक है, at our age, we learn how to at least even if you have something to share, अगर नहीं भी है कोई share करने का, तुम्हें पता है कैसे handle करना है, but वो बच्चे को नहीं पता है.
Yes.
Right. वो चाहता है
And
कि
you
वो पता
need
है.
to be around, and I think
That's
that
the art of
understand
switching off.
also.
Like we
The
were
art of
discussing,
switching off.
art
Yeah.
of switching off. Once we're home,
You're
the
home.
phones are away. Unless, because if you need to, figure out if the child is okay or not, your headspace also needs to align with that. उसके लिए तो we have to be. We were just discussing that before we started off. Yeah.
That,
This is something that probably I should take from this podcast. So this becomes very difficult for me. I mean, as a parent. So when back home,
I think even if you're not a parent, when you're back home in your personal space, everyone needs to switch off. Right?
Yeah, please switch
Actually,
off.
yes.
Because
It
then
just helps a lot.
yeah, see, and I think all of us are from the creative industry. I don't know, if we don't switch off, how are we going to switch on the next morning?
No,
it
we
is
are
a
working
difficult-
through
24-hour
cycle constantly.
Yeah,
But
and
then
then
that's
your
the- that's
body
the-
takes a toll. Your mental
No,
health also
it's
takes
up
a
to
toll.
you.
Yeah.
but then don't you? If you look around, right? We're talking this, but if you look around, things are like that right now. That
Yeah, it is like that.
You
That's
are
what I'm
expected
saying.
to work round the clock.
You're
Because
expected
आप
to
नहीं
reply
करोगे तो
late
कोई
night.
और करेगा. I mean, the way it
Correct,
is,
correct. Yeah, it's again it's a very conscious choice we have to make. are we entering that constant rat race? Now, where you want to get in your career is your choice. We know that after post six, we can't, be there for the parties or some social events in our field now, which is picking up a lot, and I'm finding it so
True, yes.
challenging.
Yes.
So sometimes it's again you start. It doesn't stop in the evening also. In case you get lucky and the kids say, no, we want to see our grandparents. I'm like, yes, you want to see your grandparents? I'll take you there. I'll promote the thought more. I'll put them there and go for the event.
So, what's one life lesson that you have learned hard way?
I think for me it would be resilience. Falling down and getting back to routine again.
Awesome.
When we were younger, I think it would be like if we are upset about something, we can cry over it for a longer
Yeah.
time. Now there's no time to cry over something, so we need
Right.
to get ourselves back up again.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
One thing that you feel that you've learned hard way.
I'm thinking.
For me, then it will be that you have to first think about yourself first, and then think about whatever that you are going out to achieve in terms of work or even in terms of home. The first thought has to come towards you. As a mother, it becomes very tough, but I would still, encourage every woman to think about themselves.
If you are yourself not in the happy space, आप बाकी क्या ही कर लोगे?
Correct.
Only happier people can create a happier home for anybody else, for themselves, a workplace. It can
But then
only
al-
come from internal happiness.
But then also the women in India are trained or they
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
in
No,
a
that's
way,
the hard way I learned.
आपको सब चीज आगे रखनी है, मतलब सब चीज पहले
Yes,
and
yeah.
आप सबसे लास्ट
Correct.
प्रायोरिटी हो आपके
Correct.
लिए.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
So it's very difficult, again to change that because आपके बचपन से अपब्रिंगिंग वही हुई है. आपको मतलब आपके पेरेंट्स ने भी आपको वही सिखाया होता है कि ससुराल जाना है, उनको देखना है, वो तुम्हारा घर है, ये तुम्हारा घर भी नहीं है, जो भी है वही है तुम्हारे. Right? So it becomes very difficult to put that thing that you put yourself first.
You're unlearning what was taught to you.
Yeah, it's a kind of unlearning, but it is required majorly because that's only how I think you'll be able to function at a longer run. Because then what happens is like you said, right? You'll always think about others. You'll always seek a validation from others. You'll always think कि उसको अच्छा लग रहा है तभी मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. तो but then there will be times जब उसको किसी और को अच्छा लग रहा होगा but आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा होगा. So
True.
that is when you realize कि no, मुझे भी अच्छा लगने की
Right.
जरूरत है. खुद को I also need to feel good about myself. I need to be happy in my workplace.
Right.
I need to be happy with the projects that I'm taking. Right?
And
It
उसके
could be everywhere.
वो एक सोच बदलनी पड़ेगी कि अगर आदमी अपने बारे में सोच रहा है तो एम्बिशियस है, बट अगर लड़की
Selfish
अपने
है.
बारे राइट अगर एक लड़की अपने बारे में सोचे तो सेल्फिश है.
Yeah,
Correct.
should
राइट
not-
कहीं ना कहीं वो थॉट प्रोसेस शायद चेंज करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
करना चाहिए because
And that is how you'll create a better place for everyone.
yeah, see, women are always nurturers. That is going to be there. That is something inbuilt in them. That's why they are able to give birth, right?
True.
But if the nurturer is not good, it's like the soil. If the soil is not good, how are you expecting the plant to grow?
I
It's
heard
like in
this
the
somewhere.
flights now. The oxygen mask.
Ah,
You
that-
wear
that
your
is a
mask
real
first
mask.
and then get the
Yeah,
baby to wear the
There are
mask.
some
Yes.
small lessons which are always
No, but
there.
that's an eye opener.
Yeah. Wear your mask first.
You need,
Just
to
blindly
apply,
do
you
it.
need to apply that in many things.
Yes.
Yes.
True. In fact, I heard this. I don't know whom I was talking about. Someone told me कि इसीलिए जो धरती को माँ बोलते हैं, बाप नहीं बोलते हैं. धरती माँ
Yeah,
बोलते हैं
correct.
because
Yes,
yes.
as a mother, if you see what mother does is what the land does to you.
Yeah,
let's say
धरती है,
आप जैसे
गंगा
धरती
माँ.
को आप रखोगे, जैसे उस जमीन को रखोगे, वो जमीन आपको वैसा ही आउटपुट देगा.
Correct.
Exactly.
Right. The same way is women, right? If she herself is not in the right.
But the onus lies on yourself.
Yeah.
If
You can't
you
depend on others.
yeah, at this point of time, we have not reached a point where all women are being taken care of. Some of us are still struggling. So I feel you are either being dependent on, oh no, you are not taking care of me, no, I will take care of myself.
Exactly. Yeah.
True.
Actually, that is what the main thing is, that you have to know your worth, your deservability, and work on it.
True.
Not
True.
expect some other
Someone
person
else
to
to do
do
it.
it. Yes,
Yes,
and that's
It's not their
Yeah,
responsibility.
that's
Your
it.
happiness is your own
a
responsibility.
lot of
100%.
time and effort and energy goes in this
Yeah.
expectation case somebody else will do it, but no, you're quite capable of doing
So
it. You
much-
should do
so much of a waste of time.
yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
True.
That is a lesson learned in the long term.
One thing that you want to change from the past
You know,
in
like
your lives. Yeah.
if there was a choice.
Yes. Obviously.
Chance.
Yes.
Which is not there, but yes, you can still feel happy about
No,
it
because I
today.
want to almost really feel it to answer. So I'm like,
Yeah, and I'm thinking what.
So I can answer. I wish I would have listened to my mother when she asked me to do interiors at the first go.
Oh yeah, very easy for you.
yeah, rather than landing it up and then finally finding it, the best thing, I should have listened to her.
Mama
That's why they
said
said, "Mummy ke sunni leni chahiye."
I think for me, maybe I should have traveled a little more because I got married within a year. I had my first child and then second. So that maybe I feel a little like could rewind back and do. Yeah.
some more time for yourselves.
Yes. But
All right.
professionally, yeah, I think all good. Hopefully, yes.
And I can't.
Think of
Yeah,
something like
yeah.
that. Okay. So, what's the best piece of advice that you have ever received?
Yeah, there was this one gentleman who was my neighbor when I was growing up in apartments. And I recently met him, not recently, 5-6 years ago. And I told uncle that I'm an architect and all that. He didn't let me talk further. He just said that, it's a brilliant field. Just focus on your craft. Don't be in a hurry to earn and, make a name for yourself. Don't be behind that. Focus on the process, focus on learning. Automatically, by the time you realize it'll follow you, success or making money, all that will follow.
मुझे वो मूवी याद आ गई 3
3
Idiots.
idiots, yeah.
काबिल बनो,
कामयाबी
Yeah.
कामयाबी झक मरा के आ जाएगी.
पीछे आएगी.
So
Right.
that time I
Exactly
was
that,
like,
yeah.
that's not so much fun. Just not getting validation, but just keep learning. But now when I'm getting validation. I understand what he meant.
True.
Yeah.
It takes time. I mean, it's a process.
Yeah, at
You'll
a
have to be
younger age, you are
patient.
looking for validation.
Yeah,
I think that
yeah.
also happens in your early 20s that you're like, oh no, I'm not appreciated enough.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
And see, I'm
right.
earning this much. Look, even I can bring something
Yeah.
to the table.
Yes.
Don't be in a hurry for that. That's what he said. But I think that's really golden advice.
For me, so this other firm I was working in earlier, so he was sort of my mentor till date. What he said to me was, make sure you go beyond the program in everything. So that was his line. He's written it there in his office also. That go beyond the program. So there is, in anything in life, let's say because we're talking about architecture and all that, a client gives you a brief. You understand where they're coming from. You understand their thought process, their story. But then what is it that you are doing? What kind of a value addition you as a person are bringing to this is what makes you or makes your world to it. And that was like, yeah, like
That's
that makes
applicable to anything.
to
It's very
anything.
deep.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So there is a program, but what is it that you are putting in to take it much further? Like, and that is you. That is your value addition to whatever that you
Take
can
up.
take up in life. So that I thought was absolutely brilliant.
Also with me, it's two. One on the work front, it's very simple. Ask. Just ask. Anything that you don't know, ask. Anything that you want to do, even when you're doing like a PPT, ask. If you're not anything, just ask. And something on a personal level, my mother told me, you're not an ice cream, you can't make everyone happy.
I'm
Oh, yeah.
really taking this home today.
I know some people who don't like ice cream. Also.
Yeah,
Thanks.
see,
Very weird
See,
people.
very weird. See, so just imagine.
Just let your mom know that this is spreading
this
and
is
helping
spreading.
others.
It's like, you're not an ice cream, you can't make everyone happy. So just, watch out for that. Because even when you work, even on a work per se, like you've finished a client, finished a project, there'd be like 5 members in that house. 3 of them would be very happy, 2 of them will still have not something or the other to say कि maybe ये ऐसा होता तो शायद ज़्यादा better
Right.
होता था. But then they were probably not at the forefront when we were doing that project, and they were at the back end, and
Right.
when they're finally coming to see the handover, at that time they'll probably say, oh no, this was. So not everybody is going to be
You cannot
happy
keep
at
happy
that.
with you. Yes.
So learn to deal with it.
Awesome. So, when it comes to criticism, how do you guys handle criticism, and that too when it comes from your close inner circle people?
That is very, very hard. But like I said, I learned something hard way when you asked for it. Resilience, right? So you realize that if you're going to sulk in that, you're going to lose a lot of your own valuable time. And you just have to move on, or probably try to avoid those situations, avoid those kind of interactions as much as possible. But when you say close, you can't avoid
You
it
cannot
so
avoid,
much.
yeah.
Or learn to give back in a very subtle way, not offending others. Still in the process of learning that, actually.
So I will take criticism only from people who I will go
Yeah,
to
exactly.
advice for. If you are on my advising committee, let's say,
Hmm.
then you can be on my feedback committee, and I will take it as a constructive feedback and I
Correct,
will work
correct.
on it.
That
Yeah.
makes
But
sense.
if you're not on my advisory committee, you can say whatever you want.
Huh.
It's like noise, and I have noise cancellation.
Actually, I've got
No,
some
it's
other
very
way.
easy over
Yeah, it's
time.
very
I
easy.
think that
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
very
it should
easy.
not
I'm
affect
I'm
you.
almost there.
No.
I'll get there.
You remember?
Over time. It's initially
advice.
obviously.
No, that's
No.
another very good advice. I'm sorry to interrupt. My husband gave me was, when you get criticized, like they said, are they an expert in this field?
Yes.
It's a very
Correct.
simple yes or no.
Yeah,
there.
Yeah.
it's a very simple yes or no. And
Yeah.
it does not, should not affect
Should
one
not affect.
about anything.
Let's say criticism in a manner where you're being judged for your gender when you talk about work. Let's say अगर मेल आर्किटेक्ट होता है या फिर
See, your
Male
work will
designer
show,
होता
yeah.
है.
Your
Yeah,
work will show any
that's
which.
there.
This I faced this very much. I was doing a project in Prayagraj.
wow.
Wow.
So that was the first mall of Allahabad. And so a very prestigious project for that time. So they would be having their first McDonald's and first KFC and all those things. And wahan pe, like, typical North India is amazingly patriarchal. Like here we are still.
We're lucky we're here.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
moment
South India is
you're
better.
there,
True.
there are some 50 guys and you're one woman standing there. You feel that pressure. You feel that these guys are, firstly, they are not believing you. They do not trust that you can even do something. But it took probably 3 site visits of mine to throw my weight around, to show that this is what we are doing, and things fall in place. I don't think it's just about whether you can do or you cannot do. It's as simple
It's only
as
till you
that.
prove that
Till
thing.
you
Yeah.
prove it,
Yeah,
yes.
when
Yeah.
they see your work speaking for your I think that's
Definitely,
it.
there is a general bias somewhere, could be, but it's all on you.
But I think it's also getting better with time.
True. I mean, it will. I mean, with women like you who have proved yourself, and who are making a point there. It's actually making way for a lot of other women who actually want to do something, and
I
it's
think
it's
some
very inspiring.
women have made way for us also. So I think
Yeah,
It's an
100%,
ongoing thing.
definitely.
Yes,
Women
it's end of the day, women supporting, or women
Supporting
inspiring
each other,
other.
yeah.
Yes, that's how.
Like
it
I
has to be.
said, my grandmother, my great grandmother, they're
Exactly.
very inspiring.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. One habit of yours that you're proud of. So it has to be a mix of.
yeah, but I
You
mean,
need to-
I think one quality of mine that I really like about myself is that I really work hard.
I think mine would be keeping at it, consistency, and I'm proud that I'm honest. Like if there's certain situations we don't know something, I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to ask. Say that I don't know something. I think and perseverance, like waiting till the end, patience, perseverance, and
Awesome.
For me, I think I have a good people skill in general. Like I maintain my relations generally well. Like be it work, be it contractors, vendors, like even a carpenter, they're usually all together. So it works very well for me, because be it family, it still works as a team. Be it work, it works as a team. So for me, I think I'm always good in that balance. That's my personal take. I don't know if I'm really good or not, but I feel I am.
Awesome. So as women, I mean, there are a lot of things that you manage. घर भी है, बच्चे भी हैं, काम भी है. So definitely there are days when you're low, right? So what is it pushes you on your low days?
For me, my kids are my motivation. I received this greeting card made by my daughter last year on my birthday. So she sweetly put, like, my name is Mansa, right? So she said M is, I don't remember what M was, but A is adorable, and then S is successful.
Oh, wow.
So that really hit me hard. I said, okay, now if this child is thinking I'm successful, then I'm doing something right.
True.
Because, like she said, we work out of guilt. We operate out of guilt as mothers.
Right.
So you're always asking yourself, am I making the right impact on the child? Am I doing the right thing? So when my child is feeling that, I said, that's it. Then I have to go for this. I have to do my best. I'm not supposed to be sitting down and sulking about something. So that's
Yeah.
one of my biggest motivations. When I see that greet, so I kept it on my desk. I look at that.
Yeah, I think my answer is also very similar to her because on the days when I'm feeling low, I just remember that my girls are not going to learn what I'm going to teach them or preach them. They're just going to learn what are they going to see in their mother and the father also. So on those days when I'm like feeling low at a point where I don't really feel like going back to work or going back to whatever I'm doing, I realize that yeah, I can have a bad day at work, but I cannot quit
True.
because I have to, because they are going to learn what they're going to see.
100%.
So that just keeps me going.
No, there are days where you just give in also.
Yeah.
If you are low, you are
Yeah.
low. You can't
You're
do
low,
much
you
about
can't
it.
do much about
And
it.
you have to accept it.
Yes.
At least
True.
now at this point, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
I
have a
can't do
bad-
everything and
yeah.
just sit back and relax.
Right, we're not machines. I mean,
Yes,
end of the
yeah.
day, human beings.
We
So.
are human beings and we are allowed to behave like human
Yes.
beings.
And you'll be fine in some.
Yeah, it's just
Right.
fine. But days when you have to go, you just have to. There's nothing, there's no two things. Right?
All right. So, what's one thing that people assume about you which isn't true?
And
Personally and professionally.
people
Can be
The
anything.
people will tell.
yeah.
For me, it's two things. Personally, people think I don't have kids. So that's something I
They're
get
not
a lot.
wrong.
That's something I get a lot personally. And professionally, they feel I don't have enough experience. They
All
doubt.
the things are coming out of thing because you look so young.
We also feel you are very poised and graced, but apparently you are not.
No, that needs to be, that has to get cut. Yeah, I think those are the only two.
But that's true. I mean, उनकी गलती
No,
नहीं
no,
है.
no, but they have experience.
नहीं, but उनकी गलती नहीं है. मतलब कोई भी छोटा सा बच्चा जाएगा प्रोजेक्ट के लिए तो मतलब obviously
Yes,
सामने वाला.
that's professionally is effective. That professionally is effective or not. Though on a personal thing, it's nice.
So carry your IDs with you. See, this is what I am. This is how long I've been
I need
doing
to carry my degree certificate. Abhi jab we were talking when we passed out and all. Yeah, that's it.
I think this answer people only have to
Yeah,
tell.
yeah, yeah. I don't know what people assume.
Because they can assume so many things. I'm not very sure.
So, what's the biggest fear of one? I mean, probably of losing something or something that you really are afraid of.
I used to be, but then I understood that you can't operate out of fear. It's very, very scary, because as woman, as mother, if you are very, very scared, which you are at some time, it really gets you.
I think for me it would be maybe not a creative block where your creativity gets blocked. So that happens once in a while. So we go and refresh.
Right.
But if it is gone permanently, that is a bit scary because I
100%,
enjoy that
yeah.
a lot. So
And also, I mean, I don't know. I take it this way that the fear of failure should be bigger than the success itself, because that is what that keeps you pushing as well. When you spoke about creativity and all, because we also come in the industry where creativity is something. When we get up in the morning, the first thing that probably should come to us is creativity, and
Ideas,
that should be
no.
last thing, right?
Yes.
Because you cannot be repetitive, you cannot be monotonous, you have
Right.
to keep coming with fresh ideas and all. So I mean, as you said, if that is gone, if that I mean, I till date didn't have that fear, but after listening to you, I'm actually thinking of that. अगर वो चले गया, अगर वही नहीं है तो फिर क्या करेंगे?
क्या करें?
And for me, I think it'd be the ability to do what you're doing that has to continue. The moment, be it your health or be it anything, be it like what is happening world over where people are putting restrictions on you. I hope that does not happen.
and also accepting failure, I think.
Probably, yeah.
That is something you must practice.
My
I
biggest
must
fear would be
practice.
to not be able to do things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I just put it in a different
Yeah,
way.
I
Yes,
think for
yeah.
everyone, it's for all of us out there, it's like not being able to do what you're actually out to do.
Correct.
That scares you sometimes.
Because
but-
we are happy doing this.
yeah. And because there is so much noise in the background that keeps on coming, so that sometimes scare you. But I think we are finally going. We are actually in a better
Dealing with it.
place. Yeah.
Nice. A personal sacrifice that you made for your career.
Personal sacrifice.
There are smaller sacrifices. I
Yes,
cannot say
yeah.
one. We cannot bottle it down to something. Like some events, my kids' events.
Yeah.
Like that.
And how do you deal? I mean, so question is, how do you deal with that?
What I do is I need to be my 100%. If I am sacrificing on time with my kids or an event or something, I keep telling myself that I need to give my 100% here. I want to do a really. I think I seek my own validation sometimes.
True. And makes sense.
Yeah.
I mean, you
That's
better be
great. Yeah.
perfect. I mean, if you're sacrificing, then you better do something. Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
That you at least don't have that guilt when you go back. Ki,
Because also when I started getting support from my family and husband, so you're put on this spot. Now you are getting this support that you asked for, right? So come on, we need to do really
Correct.
good. Yeah.
It's a lot of mini sacrifices
Yes,
probably
yes.
that you make on an everyday basis. Major sacrifice. I mean,
Maybe to put it like, these are small adjustments that you do in your life on an everyday basis. A major one, thankfully, I think.
None of us have. Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
I'm
Good.
blessed that I had never had to do like a very, like if you can term it as a sacrifice, but adjustments, yeah, I
yeah,
at least
also
Every
because
day.
this is what we want to do. Like your
Yeah.
career is important. This is what you want to do.
What
So
you
it doesn't feel like a sacrifice really that
yeah.
okay. So what's the most outdated stereotype about women and family that you wish disappears?
I think the fact that they're expected to take care of, if the choice is theirs to go out and work, and they've been given that freedom, they should also. It's how they handle the work at home,
Right.
taking care of everything.
The burden of everything. Do everything at the same time.
Correct. Yeah, I agree. I think that is a major stereotypical thing required out of women.
हाँ,
That
कि मतलब काम तो
you
तुमने
have
choose
to do
किया है,
it. हाँ,
पर ये भी करना
ये
पड़ेगा.
भी करना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
राइट.
ये
घर तो
सारा-
तुमको ही संभालना है.
हाँ.
काम करना तुम्हारा चॉइस है.
Correct.
But you
correct.
करना ही
बट ये तो करना ही
It
है.
has to be done. Wherever you are, if you're traveling, wherever you are, जो घर का काम होना है, that has to happen.
at the same time. That's all.
Exactly. So sometimes you just need a break out of.
At the same time, the men are not expected the
Men
same
are not
way.
expected.
The
Yeah,
same way.
Correct.
Yeah.
Men
Yeah.
have the liberty to say no to certain things.
Yeah, so men can plan anytime, even if they have outstation things.
Exactly.
But women cannot.
Women cannot.
Yeah, I think that's
Alright. So, have you ever felt underestimated in your workplace just because of your gender?
Not underestimated. I would say that, like I was saying earlier, also that it takes probably slightly longer sometimes to
Yeah.
prove yourself. It wouldn't be underestimating, but it's just going a little
Takes
further.
longer to make your point.
Yeah.
Yes, I think initial 2-3 meetings, sometimes to people who are not so, they can get you on board, but they still are not very open. I think initial 2-3 meetings, then they get accustomed to a woman speaking to them, and then they're okay.
Right. So, what's one work policy that you would want companies to adapt so it becomes a better space for women to work?
I think for the bigger companies, and I think it is being implemented a lot, is sometimes when there is no help, that they can bring their child to the workplace. That makes a lot of
Yes.
difference. Yeah, unless it's a work from home concept. Yeah.
Right.
Taking children to work should be as normal as, you yourself going to work, because there are days when there are no help around there.
Yeah.
And that's a very valid point. Also, I think there has to be proper work schedule timing for any business for whatsoever. More so in case of women, because one, safety is still a concern. Second, most of us are going back to kids, and then so there has to be a work home ratio, what you call that. Balance has
Balance.
to be there.
Right.
Just because a woman is gone back, saying that she can do as much as a man, you have to still understand that she.
Also has certain limitations as human
Yeah,
beings.
Yeah.
that is going to be there.
I was listening to somebody's podcast only recently, wherein like it's a very minor thing for especially for women who go outstation site visits or really far off, that there are no portable toilets put in on site or
Yes.
something.
Yes.
That just hit me. That's always such a big issue,
Yes.
Yes.
and they made sure that they do this for any site which has women working in it, or just one very small ethic that can be followed. It was just amazing. I thought just changes your perspective as to how much you take,
That's
how much you care about people there.
Awesome. So now when you're managing all this chaos and all, right, so who in your lives have been your biggest support system?
My husband, in my case, and my mom extends a lot of support for my kids, and the kids have themselves also have been very supportive.
Beautiful.
Yeah, for me, my family has been my
Yes,
biggest support, and including my husband after getting married. It's just amazing how much they put in or how much belief they have in you. It's outstanding, actually.
Right. So it's very easy, very important that people understand that for someone to succeed, it's not that one person. There's a
100%.
team.
There's an entire
100%.
team.
You
So your
need-
whole family has to be there, because even if one of them is not, those are the people who matters to you most.
True.
So when you go back home and then they understand that she's had a tough day at work today, that's all what you need. At
Exactly.
the end of the day.
And I think there's nothing different. There's nothing different you're doing because you have been doing it for a man, right? Let's say in terms of support since the childhood, whatever support was required. Once a person starts working, he gets that support. कि हाँ, ठीक है, थक के आया है, काम करके आया है. So you don't have to do something really great and out of the box.
Yeah,
वही
yeah,
चीज
yeah,
करनी
yeah.
है.
It's very
Correct,
basic, but
आपको
then
जेंडर हटा देना है बीच में से
Gender,
बस.
gender hatana
It's
है. Exactly
almost
that.
there
is
now.
all. Yeah.
What you're saying is absolutely
Yes.
bang on.
Yes. Alright. So what advice would you give to the younger women about navigating marriage, motherhood, and career all at once?
Wow.
I
What a
think,
that's a
question.
big one.
I think take it one step at a time. Don't be overwhelmed. Like we were just saying, you can't have it all in
Cannot have it.
within a day, and you should really want to do what you've chosen.
Yes, yeah.
You need to have the grit. What do we say? Patience. Patience is a very big thing.
Yes, patience,
And
resilience,
resilience.
and then you should be committed towards what you're whatever you've thought of, and then most importantly, do not put that expectation burden on yourself. At the first, you have to get rid of any expectation of whatsoever, and then take that step, because otherwise you're always burdened and then you're not able to walk. Then you feel, oh, why am I not able to walk?
Correct.
True.
Yeah, and failure will happen, and
Yes.
that you have to take in your
It
stride.
will
That
seem very dark
things, yes,
in
yeah.
this certain times. You have to wait for the end of the tunnel to be. You need to reach the end of the tunnel.
No, and failure is not the end of everything. You make wrong decisions. Sometimes you probably marry the wrong person or whatever, but it's not the end of everything.
True.
You can always get yourself back. So
Put yourself back.
people put a lot of undue pressure on themselves, saying, ki, okay, I've chosen this
because
now.
of societal
what about it?"
taboos and all.
Yes.
Like you're saying, when the marriage doesn't work also.
Yeah, anything. It's a marriage to your partner, marriage to your work, or whatever. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work, it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
True.
Things have
But
to
you
be
need to
taken
be
in.
smart. You need to be a smart woman to know your choices, to take a decision. If
Yeah,
something is
especially
working.
I've seen like younger people now that I meet them as interns and all that. They take a lot of pressure on themselves to get things bang on to right, or this is the only chance. But no,
Yeah, and
failure
their-
has to happen. For
yeah,
you
and
to
their
go
expectations
this.
also are very, very high from themselves, thinking that they're going to make it in 3 months.
Correct.
No, boss, you cannot make
That's
it.
why I
in
said
3 months.
patience. huh?
Yeah, patience. You cannot make it in 3 months. You cannot make it
You
in
need
6
to.
months.
You need to.
Sometimes you can't even make it in 10 years, but you'll make it in the 11th year.
True.
Correct.
True. And failure, when you talk about failure, I mean, if you're not failed, that means you have not tried till now.
You
Hard
will
enough,
fail,
right?
and there is that
If
is
you
your
try something
stepping
new,
stone.
you will fail. And
Yes, yeah.
the best person to learn this from is, I think, a kid, right? A kid who tries to walk but falls, tries to walk but falls.
I actually, on that note, take inspiration from my son. He plays football. He plays tournaments and all. There are times he doesn't win a tournament, he doesn't win a match. So, but the interest to get back to the field again, when I watch him, me as a mother, I feel very bad. This poor child is very dull the whole day. But then when you really want something, you will get back.
You will get back. Yeah.
Coming
and
out of the
that's very
comfort zone,
important.
that's another thing I feel the
True.
younger generation.
Oh yeah.
You know, comfort zone से बाहर आके करेंगे तो ये something
Correct.
we will learn.
Now, we'll quickly get onto the rapid fire. Okay, so if you could add a crazy feature to any famous building, what would that be?
A crazy feature.
Yeah.
And like a design feature.
It could be anything.
It could be anything. If design.
I
because
wish
you
the
guys are
Leaning
design-
Tower of Pisa was rotating also. That would be so much fun.
That's a good one.
That's a very advanced feature. Very
That's
nice.
a very
He'll be like this, you know, like tera.
लोग
Very
बोलेंगे
random.
पीके झूल रहा है.
हाँ, ऐसे ही दिखेगा वो.
A crazy feature could be, maybe some AI generation in the
Buildings. Yeah.
buildings, yeah,
Or some
Which building? But
Which building? It could be any of these work buildings that are there, right? All these. But it's not a crazy, it's already there, right? There are some buildings which has these some crazy things running around outside
Like a
for
digital-
entertainment, like a digital thing.
or
When
let's
you're
say
stuck in the traffic, you
all
can
the
watch
older
them.
structures, the famous architects' works like the Seagram's, Mies van der Rohe's works and all. That time, modernism was just he was the guy who started straight lines and all of that. So all those are standing, strong, and they're still nice buildings. To that, if some crazy like that, the conversation bubbles or some sort of additional elements that can be added, it'll also give a new twist.
Alright, so I'll put it this way. If you could add a feature, or if you want to redesign an ancient monument space, a old architectural space, what space would that be, and what differently would you do there?
I think like in Europe, they do a lot of these nice fancy restaurants and old structures. How they, restore the beauty of the space. I feel with the Indian old structures also, something can be done like in Hampi or of course a temple space I think is little set aside, you can't use it that
Yes.
way. Things like that in India if it will be done, I'm not able to list them, but yeah, I've seen a few structures. It'll be really nice if you can use them in a modern way.
Okay.
Yeah, so all these palaces that are there in Rajasthan, so they would have actually the water around them. That was actually it was there to protect it from, but that's all gone.
Right.
So I would actually not do like a new thing, but I would want that original water to be there around.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
That's the way you should actually reach that palace to see or to stay, to
Right. Or-
make it go
The
back
water
to
moat around
Yeah, the
to
water
keep the
moat.
enemies away.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is not there anymore in
That essence is not there.
Yeah.
Right. Because enemies in it, though.
animation.
Right.
Correct. But it's a good feel-good feature also.
100%. So, okay, what's one interior design rule that you secretly break?
Oh. Lot of
I do a bit of manipulation in the 3D renders. See what happens is because it has some weird way of showing a perspective.
Correct.
Sometimes the clients get it wrong if we do everything to actual in a 3D. So we do a lot of resizing and shift and all, but then in reality it'll anyway be nice, which we are confident of. But we don't put it out there because it shows in the wrong way.
True.
We manipulate a bit over there.
Yeah, so there's no rule, but sometimes people say, "Oh, you have picked up a one design and now you should stick to that one design." I don't think that way. Even if you're doing a house, you could do a mix of two design as long
Yeah,
as they are looking aesthetically nice. So people say, "Oh, is it one design?" Yeah, it could be one to you, it could be one to me or two to me. It has to look. It has to be looking good, and that's my only motto. I am not promoting one design over other. It can always be a mix of two.
Awesome.
Yeah, for me also, I like every day probably you break some rule. क्या है? मतलब there are some principles that people teach us on day one of architectural studies, but whether you still break them, you still come back to them. As in, like, I am a great believer of proportions and rhythm in general. Like, out of proportion, your scale wrong hai, to I get very mentally affected. But then when I do it, it somehow still brings something else to scale. So
Yeah.
the rules will always be there, is what I'm trying to say.
So, if your job had a tagline of a Bollywood movie, what would
Director only. There is no other tagline. We are all directors.
Okay, so you're asking us like
you know, you should remember the
movie.
movie names. I don't
It's a
know
movie
what-
name,
Yeah.
bolo kya?
Bollywood.
I thought which post in the
that name?
film industry.
A Bollywood movie name for the work that you do.
Forgot about that.
Does it have to be only Bollywood? Because it's been a long time since I've seen
I'm
No,
also-
any of the.
Yes, already. Yeah.
Agnipath or something.
Okay, we agree with
I
that.
would say Transformer. Because we transform spaces.
Form spaces.
So I'll go with both of them as I'm not able to think of anything.
All right. What
Queen हो
was
सकती है.
Bandit Queen?
Queen. Yes, for a woman-headed firm.
Yes.
Has to be. So what's worse, a crooked floor tile or a mismatched cushion cover?
What's
Floor.
worse?
What's
Floor.
worse?
Floor.
Floor.
Yeah, floor. Okay.
Okay. Floor or a mismatch
Cushion cover. Yeah.
Mismatch cushion cover.
फेंक सकते हैं ना.
नहीं यार floor चलता है थोड़ा.
Okay.
No, what's worse?
I don't know what kind of
I
floor.
think
I'm
yeah.
imagining some very nice.
Yeah, she's
Broken
gone into
stone.
Even I
aesthetic.
thought sometimes even I went there, but
Yeah.
I got
You have to understand when you're speaking to a designer, they're always visualizing everything.
we're happy with the broken floor also.
Yeah, like, अच्छा ही लगता होगा.
Okay. Would you rather design a floating house on water or a house inside a mountain?
A house inside a mountain.
For me, it would be floating on water.
Same, I think floating on water sounds fun.
Okay.
Not like a ship, but a house, no?
Okay. What's one design element that people love but you secretly hate?
What? Sorry, I missed it.
One design element that people love but you secretly hate.
In general,
Yeah.
like with clients.
Yes.
Matching sofa sets.
Yeah, even I face that a lot.
Good one. Matching sofa set.
Okay.
For
Anything
me, right now, actually, I don't hate, but I'm very bored of this present minimalism which is going on. I'm just bored.
What is minimalism?
Yeah,
in design?
कुछ भी नहीं डालो एक put one fork and you're done. Like it's just enough of this minimalist
Enough
shit.
of this, yes.
I think for
Okay.
me also it would be, are you sure this color is matching with that? Now, we can't match the entire room into a single
Uh-huh.
color, right? So that something that drew out of a Pinterest and it's hard to explain.
All right. Okay. If you could design a workspace just for women architects and designers, what's one fun rule you'd add?
Just for women.
Yeah.
Maybe a room where they can come together at one point of time and chit chat.
Yeah, but that
Gossip.
can be for anybody at the end. Women
Gossip
पता नहीं.
I think I would
Gossip
add
just
Men are
women
more
need.
at gossip, huh? Let me tell you this.
I think I would add
Right?
ramp.
Yeah.
Ramp.
Yeah.
I was
To
thinking
feel
very
to
wild
so that
ideas.
because we're always at desks or whatever, right? So if you add a ramp, you'll feel like you want to walk like a model in the middle of your work. and add a ramp.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, that's
I
a
was
nice-
thinking, kya? No.
Because
I
women
can't.
love to dress up and not we
And
don't find
also as
time
a
as
woman, I
working
think a
women.
place where their kids can come and have some fun activities.
Yeah.
True. Yes.
I have no opinion in the matter.
All right. So, what's a common stereotype about women in architecture that makes you laugh?
A lot of clients have told me this that आप तो ladies हैं, आप तो अच्छा ही करती होंगी, creative होंगी. You know, everything is.
Yeah, I
आप
think
ladies हो. पहले तो मैं ladies नहीं हूँ.
I think also they think that they attribute color to women.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think. they're
आपका
trying to say.
selection अच्छा होगा. सिर्फ color आके बता
Yeah,
दीजिए.
they think color.
You do more than color, यार.
Yes.
Come on.
The cosmetic.
And also you're being asked, आप manage कर लेंगी? हाँ, मैं manage कर लेंगी.
Yeah, so what she said is right. Cosmetic चीजों के लिए
They think
they
the
think we
application,
are
color
more
application is
applicable to.
Yeah,
A
it's like you,
stereotype around it.
Yeah.
like you're basically there to decorate.
Technicality
No, you're
somebody
more than
else
that.
can take over.
Right. Right.
Because you're ladies.
Because ladies. All right. If your profession had an official drink, what would that be?
Official drink.
For that, we should know the names of the drinks, na?
Like
Yeah.
whiskey.
Like, are you talking about
yes.
alcohol?
Anything.
Yeah, or are you talking about
Anything.
anything?
It can be a Red Bull.
I think
can
it
be
will be
wine, coffee.
wine because you get better with time.
Yes, I would
Oh,
agree
deep.
to that. Perfect.
Wow.
I think she's answered it for all.
मैं LIT बोलता
There's a mix.
because a lot of things that
Yeah,
Goes
I was
What
gonna
is
say whiskey,
LIT
but
is
for no reason.
whiskey, rum,
Because I like
vodka,
whiskey.
gin. It's a mixture of all.
Oh, that is also right. Yeah.
Right, because a lot of them you do everything and
Yes.
Actually, they
you just
just
make
put
one
reason
drink.
to
A lot of
everything.
things that goes.
Yeah,
Behind
that
it.
is also
That's
great,
also a
great
good-
answer.
No, but yours was nice. I mean, you
Yeah.
go better with time. Awesome. So, would you rather have a client who explains you everything, or a contractor who refuses to follow instructions?
A client who explains
Client
everything.
Everything.
That is sometimes a dream.
Yeah. Then you can go beyond the program, like I was saying,
Yes.
because you know everything. Then you can add your.
But बहुत क्लाइंट को पता ही नहीं होता कि उसे क्या चाहिए.
That's why we are safe from AM. No?
All right. If architecture and interior design were people, what kind of personalities would have they be?
Architecture and interior design or people. There would be layer. Like you want us to name a personality?
Yeah. Let's say Gajni.
Yes, that I agree.
Gajni, you've answered your question.
This is my team.
Aparichit, in fact.
Yeah.
Gajni,
हाँ,
because they
ऐसे ही
say
somebody.
You keep
when we
switching.
freeze a design and the team forgets about it. After
Yeah.
a week they come back, we'll do a new design.
Correct. Every
So
time
it's
on
very
site
apt.
there's a new
Gajni is
design.
very apt. You're like,
मैंने
"Ma'am,
सिर्फ look में बोला था. All right. So, what's the funniest reaction people have when they hear you are an architect or interior designer?
funniest reaction. I think that again attributing us
Cosmetic
Yeah.
वाला
colors.
colors and इसके लिए अच्छा
तो
है.
आप अपना घर तो बहुत अच्छे से रखते
Oh yeah, that is always there.
हाँ.
आपका घर तो देखना ही पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा।
क्यों देखना पड़ेगा? I don't want you to see my house.
I know.
Okay.
I lose business if they see my house.
To make your houses, guys, we are not able to keep up at our time.
Yeah. वो देखना ही पड़ेगा क्या है? Like why?
Even to design your offices, we don't have time to design our own office.
Correct.
Perfect. All right. So, if there was an Olympic sport for architecture, what event should exist?
Some sort of sleeping, who sleeps the most or something like that. Like we can go in hibernation for a long time after, especially
Right.
submitting a presentation or something like that. I've gone on hibernation for 3 days straight also. Like,
I think
I
he's
think that
saying,
should be a sport.
That should be a sport. He's saying if you can tell name an existing sport to
Yeah.
Introduction
Like
होना
a
चाहिए.
relay race because it's like your
teamwork.
teamwork is there. So
Right. It's not a marathon. Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Gymnast भी हो सकता है. Keep jumping around with it.
yeah, some show off of yeah,
Okay.
I think football. There's a lot of defense in this whole game of designing, and then finally you have to make the goal. Yeah.
All right. Nice. Okay. So, if you had a magic wand that could instantly fix one common home design mistake, what would that be?
waterproofing issues.
Okay.
Oh,
For me, it
deep.
would be heights. These guys, how much have we asked them for heights? The contractors bring it down. So with a wand like that, if I can just push, make it, yeah.
The height.
Okay. What's the weirdest place where you have found design inspiration?
Anywhere, it can just be
Weirdest.
anything.
I find it in this glass. I find a pattern in the water. So that's weird, I think.
Yeah,
It could be anything. It's
yeah, that
not-
could be anything.
the list is endless.
Yeah, sometimes a leaf, sometimes the washroom, sometimes
Yeah,
a
yeah.
mirror which is
Takes-
broken. It can be anything.
Wow. Okay. Would you rather design a home for a super messy person or a person who keeps changing their mind every hour?
Super messy.
Super messy.
So mind changing is not doable at all.
Yes.
It's pain.
Okay. If you had to describe your design style using a Bollywood dialogue, what would that be?
You know, you have to be good at watching the Bollywood
Movies.
movies.
It should be towards a client.
It's about your design style. I mean, your design style. If you have to
Style
put
or our way of working. Or
it, yes.
for me, I think it will be very deep if I say this. That तुझ में रब दिखता है.
Oh my
Wow.
god, that is
I was about to
that is mic drop
कि एक
moment.
बार मैंने
I see God.
मैं किसी और के लिए सुना।
I was laughing because मैं मन में वही सोच रही
सोच रही थी वही कुछ सोचा था।
I mean, I see working like God in my work. So,
How sweet is that? So for me, I also went on to the project that I have committed.
I was thinking of
Safe.
fire है ये fire हो गया
actually, I don't know much. This was most
Yeah.
relatable, and that's the last I
Flower
saw.
नहीं है,
Bollywood
मैं fire
movie, to be
है.
honest. Yeah.
Alright. What's your biggest guilty pleasure when it comes to home decor shopping?
people should just stop doing home decor shopping as in जैसे सब्जी खरीद रहे हैं वैसा. It's a very personal thing. It evolves with you, and I hope everybody understands that
For me, I
home
think
decor
the-
means something actually.
Yeah,
It's not just कि जाओ एक दुकान में 10 चीजें खरीदो and that's all.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it. It has to be evolving
And
as
not-
you travel.
And
as
not
you
every
do
time
things.
it's about functionality. Sometimes what is pleasant to the eye also gives you
yeah,
pleasure.
yeah. It
Okay.
should mean
So lot
something
of
to
the
you.
time
End
I'm
of the
like,
day.
madam ये मगर ये करता क्या है? I mean, if there's this
Do less. Less is more.
It should mean something to you. End of the day,
Yeah,
it just
yeah.
cannot
Design
be
first,
कि
yeah.
architect लाके रख दिए, like you know most of the time that happens.
Awesome. Okay. So, what's one interior design trend that should have been banned forever?
nothing. All are very interesting.
This only minimalism according to me. It
She's like,
should be
damn, I
banned.
can do
There's no
Okay.
identity. There's nothing. Like
Like bare minimalism, yes. That's
Yeah.
not even a design trend.
every
But
place
otherwise
looks like
everything is
every other
interesting.
place.
Whether it's
Yeah.
industrial,
Do something
whether
else.
it's,
guys.
dopamine.
Nowadays, that's what it like. This is a coffee shop. This could be an office also. This could be a club also. The identity is missing in the soul of the
right.
design.
Yeah.
That has to come back. That has to mean
Yeah,
something.
it was
Agreed,
there
agreed.
off lately, yes.
Okay. Would you rather design a house for a Bollywood celebrity with crazy demands, or a budget client who wants Taj Mahal for 10,000?
Bollywood celebrity.
Bollywood celebrity.
Celebrity होंगे तो क्या?
And
Budget line नहीं चाहिए.
if you want, I mean, if अगर किसी Bollywood celebrity का के साथ काम करना है, तो who would that be? Bollywood, Tollywood, anything? Huh?
Ajay Devgan.
And why?
So random.
I just like him, yaar. I
Okay.
get to meet him.
उसकी आंखें बहुत. हाँ.
I am
nice, I
a
want
huge
to
fan
meet-
of Kamal Haasan.
Okay.
You might as well design for people you want to meet at least.
Okay.
On other note, I would actually like to design Akshay Kumar's house because Auntie is very disciplined. So probably that
Hmm.
will be a good trait to pick up, you know, because that could
I
be-
don't know. जो भी client बन के आएगा design this house,
Okay.
I think she's celebrating her clients only.
they'll approach.
Okay. What's your biggest flex as a women architect or designer?
I don't know. Answer. My answer will answer.
Me, I think.
you know, maybe the safety part of it. Sometimes that you sometimes also let go of projects when you feel that it's not, you know, you're not too comfortable, and that only happens with women, I believe, because
Alright. Okay. What's the strangest material you've ever used in any of your projects?
Keep experimenting a lot actually.
I wouldn't
but
say
I'm not-
strangest, but I've done the corrugated cement asbestos sheets, which is used on the construction sheds, na?
Mm-hmm.
Or in the slums as a roof. I've done it as an interior ceiling for a tile showroom, and it turned out fabulous. So
Wow.
something
Interesting.
that was, and it really cut down the price for them by what,
Yeah.
50-60% wholesaling cost.
Oh.
Yeah.
We did something similar with using rolling shutters, like general shutters. So with that, we made these huge arches because they bend very well, right? They're rolling
Yeah,
shutters. They just look amazing.
Wow.
Like people ask what this material is, and you know, in your mind, you know that
You
is
know
the
what-
rolling
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Just one question which I had in my mind. मैं पूछना भूल गया था. So मैं, is it in a society where men and women both working, at times it happens so that the women of the house is more successful, right? What's the message that you want? Because it's not acceptable, and the male ego comes in some way or the other. So how does someone deal with it?
But again, I don't know what you mean by successful. Is it financially successful or
I would
by?
say more of a success. I mean, yeah, career wise, yeah. But ये होता है.
I think in an ideal situation, this gender bias should not be of importance only. Like ये female है, ये यही करेगी, ये male. We should be out of that, elevate ourselves a little more and ego वगैरह. अब उसका ego है तो the woman might have some other issues also, but at some place you have to come on par with that.
I think we should not put this pressure on men that they only have to be successful. I think individually men are actually very supportive. It is the
Yes,
society that is putting the pressure that if you're the man of the house, how come you're not successful?
You have to earn more.
Otherwise, individually, I think guys are just really.
They're okay.
So it's more of a partnership than a competition.
Yes, yes. And if you really think that your woman in the house is actually better in terms of finance or in terms of career, then go on, join her.
Like the same expectation.
Might
Be
as
a
well take care
part
of the
people
house.
are doing that.
Relax.
Go join
Yes.
her and be a part of her journey.
Or you can be a
part of
house
her-
husband, which
Exactly.
is very, very crucial. Like how housewife is.
That's what I'm saying. In an ideal situation, the gender taking decisions is not taken.
Yeah.
It
I
should be
think a
based on
person, whoever is good to run a house or to run any company, the basic rule is whoever is good at their
Work on your
subject,
strengths.
Right.
work on your strength. And I think that way the house is going to run properly,
yeah,
the company is going to run properly. I think the country is also going to run properly.
And that is when you
You're
have a
happy
balance.
in yourself also,
True.
right?
True. Alright. So we are almost done. Anything that you guys wanted to add? अगर आप कुछ ऐसे चीजें जो आपको शायद
I
शेयर
think
करनी
we've covered
Yeah, the questions were quite in detail.
quite diverse and interesting.
है. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for the next podcast.